A system of inequalities is given. Which graph represents the solution to the system of inequalities? So then your two inequalities are y is greater than 2x plus 1 and y is less than negative x plus 5. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk you through what you should do, and then you're going to have to go on Desmos and do this on your own. So remember, in a system of inequalities, first you graph the two inequalities. If you have a greater than symbol or a less than symbol, you have dotted lines. If you have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you have solid lines. Then your shading depends on which way the symbol is going. So if it says y is greater than 2x plus 1, you know your shading needs to be above that line. If it says y is less than negative x plus 5, the shading for that inequality needs to be below that line. So then remember, the solution to the system of inequalities is the region where the shading for each one, the shading for the top inequality and the bottom inequality, overlaps. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to take these inequalities, type them into Desmos, and then see which graph represents the solution region.